Hello everyone, welcome. Today we're going to show you how to install the custom libraries for the touchscreen that we use, as well as the actual scale. And that's what these declarations are. We'll go through how the program works in another video, but for now we're just going to do these specific ones and show you how that works. So you're going to want to go to where Arduino got installed. So for me on a Windows computer, it's going to be under the local disk. You're going to go to Program Files, x86, because Arduino is still a 32-bit program. And it's going to be right there, Arduino. Again, under that program's x86. And then you're going to open it up. You're going to see a bunch of folders, drivers, examples, hardware, Java, and it's going to show some of the backend stuff as well as the actual application if you're having problems, things like that. So we're going to want to go into this libraries folder right here. As you can see, I do have some of the custom libraries already installed, but I do not have the touchpad one that we're going to need. So I already brought up the folder from the conference sheet that's going to have all of these files in it. This is the touchscreen. It has the two files for the actual library and some examples. So if you want to see how this actually works and do something different than what we have, you're free to do that. So for this, I'm just going to right click and do download. And that's going to download the entire folder in one shot. It's going to see preparing download, zipping one file, and it's going to start doing its thing. You will probably see a pop-up asking to leave the site when it is finished. Hit leave. It's not actually going to leave the site. It's actually just going to allow the download to actually happen, so you can download it as a single zip file. And unfortunately, sometimes this does take a little bit, so give it some time. It's not you. So when it is complete, you might get this leave site, changes may not be. That's just going to allow you to actually download it. So just click leave. And as you can see right there, it downloaded. It's not that big of a file. It's pretty small, so we're going to do open in folder. And I'm just going to get rid of all of these numbers. It'll help just kind of know what you're doing. And then I'm going to do right click. I'm going to do cut. And then I'm going to go back over here to our library and just paste it right in. And because you're moving into that programs folder, it's going to require administrator permission. Note if you do the non-administrator version, just go to wherever you pasted it on and do the same thing. It's going to be in libraries, and it won't require that. And then it's just going to move. Okay, so we're just going to do that. We're going to press folder tool, do extract all, and then extract. If you get this error, what it's trying to do is put it into a folder that's not actually there. Just get rid of this last thing. So it's just library slash and then extract. Because it is, again, in that program folder, hit continue. And as you'll see, makes another folder with those files with the examples, and then the touchscreen, the demo shield subfolder, so you can go and see the examples that they have, and that's how you're going to do it. And once you've extracted this, you can actually go ahead and get rid of this zip folder, so it's not as cluttered, so you only have one of each. So hopefully that shows you how to do everything that you need to do. You're going to do that once for the Aligo GFX, the Aligo TFT LLCD, the HX711 master, the TFT, and the touchscreen. You're going to just basically do the same process over and over, and you're just going to keep installing them or copying them into this libraries folder, and that's going to allow the IDE to actually see them, and you're actually going to be able to use them when you go to install this program onto your Arduino board. Hopefully this was helpful. Have a good day.